welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Faith, and as you guys see by the title in today's video, I'm going to be taking you back along with me to all of my appointments. They're going to be like broken up into different days though, because I wasn't able to get them all done in one day. It's March 8th and I'm getting my hair done today, and I just recently woke up, so that's why I'm looking so crazy. But I'm getting ready to get up and get ready for the day, eat breakfast. I can't wait to see what my hair looks like when it's finally done. I blow dried it and washed it last night. I deep conditioned it. I used the Voice of Hair Quench and Cleanse shampoo, and then I used one more shampoo that I forgot the name of, and then I used the Moist conditioner. Hey y'all, so it's been a change of plans. I was gonna go to the gym, but I kind of ran out of time, and I need to go to the grocery store, so I'm getting ready to be on my way there now. And if I have time, I honestly want to try to buy myself an aux cord, because the one that I had broke, and I was gonna order one from Amazon, but then I was thinking I might find it cheaper at 5 and Below. So if I have time before my new scheduled appointment, possibly at 2:30 today, I'm gonna try to go to the grocery store, and then I'm gonna try to go to 5 and Below too. I was on my way to the grocery store. My appointment was supposed to be at 1:30, and then it got possibly changed to 2:30, and now it's back to 1:30. So I'm getting ready to be on my way now, and I was almost at the grocery store, probably I was basically at the grocery store, and then she texted me and said I can be on my way. So now I'm 6 minutes away from the hair salon where she at. So yeah, I'm looking forward to finally getting my hair done. Hey y'all, so I am leaving, getting my eyebrows done, and they really turned out so cute. This is what they look like. Hair, eyebrows. I plan on doing my own lash clusters, so I can't wait to have everything put together, period. Alright, so now I plan on going to get my oil change, and then I have to cash my check, and after that I'm gonna get a aux cord because the one that I had in my car, like, it broke. I guess I shouldn't have left it in the little hole because I went to take it out and it broke. So yeah. Hey y'all, so it's so irritating. I just looked to see if the oil change place was open, and they actually close at 6:30 and it's 6:24. So I'm gonna go probably to buy my aux cord because I just realized too that the bank closes like early, so I won't be able to cash my check in today either. So I'm gonna have to basically do everything tomorrow after my EBP presentation. That's evidence-based practice nursing. It's like a nursing, we use that in nursing to find research for when we want to do a topic. My topic was basically about, like, does words of affirmation and teamwork help to improve patient perception of care while they're in the hospital. And I actually have to, like, review my poster for the presentation tomorrow, so I'm not sounding crazy. But I'm hoping that the presentation tomorrow shouldn't be too long, because after that, like, I have a few things that I'm planning on doing throughout the day. Alright y'all, so I went to Five and Below. They didn't have no aux cord, so I'm here at Target. Hopefully they have something I can use. I went to 2 stores so far, and neither of them had like an aux cord. So I'm on to my second Target now. I looked online and they said that they had it in stock, so I'm just going off that. I'm hoping that they have it. If not, I might just order my aux cord on Amazon because I'm tired of going around to find it at this point. I'm also debating on if, like, items or somewhere where I look online to see what happens. But I kind of, like, wanted it right now or today, so I'm hoping to have it here in Target. Hey y'all, so I am back here now, and I wanted to show you guys my eyebrows. They turned out really, really cute. She did an eyebrow wax and she did tint, so I'm curious to know how long they're gonna last. I haven't got the tint in a minute. The first time I went to her, she did just a regular, like, eyebrow wax, but this time I wanted her to do a tint, and she ate with that. Like, she did really good. And as you guys saw, we was talking, we was having some good conversations. I'm definitely, like, gonna go to her for my eyebrows often because she does a really good job, and she's close to me, and she's not too, like, expensive or anything, but her quality is so nice that, like, I don't mind paying a good amount for it. But yeah, like I said, today is March 12th, and I recently got off work this morning at like 8 a.m. I got back, like, that's when I actually, well, I didn't lay down until like 9 something, but right now I'm getting ready to figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner. I'm gonna unpack because I was staying with my grandma. I was staying at my grandma's house. And then tomorrow I have a EDP presentation. I probably won't record that, but I am getting my pedicure. I I am getting a pedicure tomorrow with my sister, so I'm definitely gonna vlog that. Morning, y'all. Hope you guys are doing well. How are you guys doing? Today is March 13th, and I just left coming from my evidence-based practice nursing presentation. My presentation was on using words of affirmation to improve patient teamwork and perception of care for the patient. And honestly, my presentation went okay. Well, it wasn't too bad. I just feel like I could have been more prepared. Like I should have practiced a few times, but it's alright. I did like the main points, and I think that was basically all that was needed because we weren't like getting graded for it. But right now, I'm on my way to get some gas, and then I have a few other things to do. And then once the nail salon opens up, me and my sister are going to get our pedicures. So I can't wait to get my pedicure. I haven't had one in a minute. And then I have a few more errands to do today. So I probably won't record everything just because this isn't like a daily vlog. But I do plan on going to the gym later on today. So I'm going to record that probably. I definitely need to buy like some gloves so I can use those when I'm going like to pump gas. I use like tissue right now, but I definitely need gloves. That way I can just like put them on, throw them away once I'm done. And then I can have like a good amount to use. Alright y'all, so I am back. See if I got my wipes. I'm so irritated. So I was cutting some avocados, like trying to get the seed out, and look what I did, y'all. I cut my finger and it looks so nasty. Ugh. So I made it to the nail salon. I'm about to walk in, and I have my sister here with me. We're getting ready to get our nails. I mean, not nails, but our toes done. Get a pedicure. And y'all, I wanted to show y'all my eyebrows and some more lighting. Period.